Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So by the title you must know already that I'm going to review Coolwinks glasses that I have ordered recently, and it's a kind of unboxing or a review kind of video wherein I will show you what are the glasses that I have ordered. And let me talk about Coolwinks first. This is an online website wherein you can select the eye frames and also select and give the details on your lens or the power perspective, and they will ship you all the glasses ready with the with the powers. So this is very cheap. I found it is better than Lenskart, because Lenskart I have seen that maybe the quality is a bit different. I'm not going to the quality and all those aspects. I'm just talking about the price which I paid in Coolwinks is very cheap. You can see when you visit their website, you will get to see that almost all the frames they are having zero payment option. I mean, for the frame they are actually not taking any charge. What they are charging you is only the glass or the powered lens which you are installing into your selected frames. So that is a very good thing. So I also took that same thing, and for the frame whatever I have ordered are actually of zero cost. The only price I paid is for my glasses, and also they have a very good option of redeeming their cool caches. So whenever you sign in first time, automatically they will they will give some extra caches as a benefit to you, which you can use at that time only. The first shopping itself you can use. Otherwise they have many more options or many more discounts, wherein I will say that 3 glasses I have ordered, and with glass and lens everything it came around 1200 rupees, which is like a steal for me, because I know if nowadays if I go to any eyeglass optical shop or anywhere like Titan and all, only the frame will cost me around 1000 or 2000 rupees. Leave about the glasses. Now the glasses quality obviously will vary, like anti-scratch, then dust resistant, all those things. So I have just ordered a basic very normal glass, no scratch coating, no anti-glare, nothing like that, because I have a very good collection of eyeglasses. So it doesn't matter to me if it is anti-scratch or not, because I rarely wear them, and that is only for distance vision. So I generally don't wear them, and when I wear them it's like I like to change and wear. I don't like to stick to one simple glass. So that's why I didn't invested very much amount. But if you want a good and very premium kind of glass, you want to invest more on the glasses rather than the frame, then they also have very good options wherein you can have a priciest and costliest glass, and yet you can escape the frame part, giving money separately for the frame part. So that is a very good option. That's a very economical option, and the website is very good. The customer care is also very nice. They are very proactive. And yes, without further ado, let's just see what I have got. So inside the box it something looks like this. So they have given a something, I think it's just a carry bag or something like that. Yes, this is a carry bag. And then they have the frames with the boxes. The boxes also is, I like the box this time, and I think they keep on changing their boxes, because first time when I ordered from them the boxes were leather kind of finish. Now it is more of cotton fabric finish kind of thing. The box itself, its quality is very good. So inside I have all my glasses. So when I remove them, I can see one coupon kind of thing. I have not seen it. I'm seeing it for the first time, wherein they have given me the print of my glass or the eye power which I have given to them for their purpose, and they have only shared me the printed version, which I think it's a very good thing. I will just take a snippet of this and I will keep it for my future orders and all. So that is a very good thing. Now let's see the glasses one by one. So first one I'm opening, just randomly I'm opening. So now the box inside looks somewhat like this, and the packaging also is very good and secured. They have given a plastic protection also, so that you don't scratch it or you don't do any by mistake, also you don't scratch your glass. So later on, obviously it's not possible to always keep it inside this, so it's up to you. If you want to keep it, you can keep it. So this is the first one, and I will try to, I forgot the names of the glasses, and I don't think they provide specific name to their glasses. I think instead they provide the product numbers or the IDs. So it will be a bit difficult for me, guys, to give you the track the IDs and again give you, but you just I will provide you the Coolwinks link. You can go and you can check whatever glasses you like or frames you like, but for now you see the style, so that if you are liking this specific product or specific frame, you can able to identify it when you are seeing it online, because product ID, you know, tracking back and giving will be a bit difficult for me. That's why I'm saying it. So yeah, this is the first one, and let me wear and show it to you. The glass quality, the glass priced me for I think around 875 rupees for each one. So with 875 rupees they have given a very, you know, normal glass, not a very high funda, nothing is there, but the quality what I see is very good, and I am satisfied personally. So there is no as such thing that no, the glass is not that much proper, I am not able to see clearly, the vision is not clear and all. The only thing is, when you give your power, be very specific, or you know, if you see that you constantly keep your powers are very fluctuating, then I will suggest that go to any optical center and have your own eye card, a very recent eye card, and take the snippet of that eye card and just email them, or they even have an option wherein you can write all the things. So they have both the options, you can attach or you can write it manually also. So my power from past 2-3 years, it is very steady, so I am still using the same power which I used to use 1 year or 1.5 year back. So yes, the power aspect and the axis point of view, the vision perspective, I don't have any complaint, because whatever I have given, I think they have given the same thing. That's why I'm seeing everything very clearly. And this is the look, and I think it's quite very trendy this kind of days. This, you know, round kind of frames are very in. This is a black metal one, and the top thing which is connecting these two things are in gold. Here is the first one, and I liked it. Now let's see the second one. This is also the same thing, plastic coating they have given, which if you want you can keep, otherwise you can throw it. So this is the next one. This is the Aviator one, which I was thinking to buy from a very long time, but lens cut and all, they were so costly that only the frame is, you know, placed there as priced there as somewhere around 1200 and all, and forget about the lens then. So but here, can you believe it, guys, I paid a 0 for this frame, only the glass charged me 875, that's it, and I'm getting a powered Aviator. I don't need anything extra. So yes, the size is also very perfect for me. They have 3 sizes. I have seen 3 variants. One is small, one is medium and one is large. This one is medium I have ordered, and this one I have ordered, yes, this one also in medium I have ordered. So you check the size. They also have a very good option where you can use your debit card, and you can you keep it from your central part of your nose, and then you can measure from your end that how much big or which size of frame will suit to your face. So that is also a good thing, but I just selected on my previous experience, so I have not done all this. So yes, this is the second one, which is an Aviator kind of glass, and again the vision is very clear and I can see everything very normal and clear. So now let's see the third one, which is also a metal one, and the color is here is a bit different. So here you can see, yeah, the color is, I will say, copperish red with the black overdone on the top side, and it's very lightweight, and it's very thin, not a heavy at all, and it is a round frame. Yeah, I think some spots are there. Yeah, so let me just wipe it up. They also provide this kind of clothes, which is very useful. Yeah, so this is the third one, you can see. And yeah, it is very good for regular use. If you are a person who wears glasses all the time, almost all the time, they have to wear it because they have a very high power or their vision is quite low, so they have to wear it every time. I think this kind of frame will be very good for you, because this at all not have any weight in it, and it just feel like I'm not wearing anything. So I also personally don't mind now wearing glasses all the time, because there is no weight at all. I don't feel that I am wearing anything, so there is a good thing. Plus I like the style, and this kind of glare I wanted to buy it from a very long time. So yes, this is the third one. So all in all, I am very satisfied from their service and the product and the quality, and I will also suggest you that if you are planning to buy any glares or sunglasses, even they are having a very good collection. That to powered sunglasses also they have an option, but the only thing is you can't select the shades. There are very few shades available in power glass, and I think that is the case with almost all the glasses, no matter if you are buying it from Ray-Ban or something else. So yes, they have a very good collection, that's what I mean to say. Plus their offers are very good, they are very cheap. They have inbuilt cool cash option, which you can debit the time you're doing the first order. That is also a very good thing. And yes, the quality, I am this is my third purchase from Coolwink. Until now I do not have any complaint from whatever specs I have ordered, so that's why I am genuine customer of them, and I am ordering it very frequently and only from them. So yes, that was my very quick review on Coolwinks. Hope you like my video, and if you like, you know what to do. You have to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Please do support me, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.